How to post YouTube video link on Instagram. Open YouTube application and select the video that you want to share the link of. And once you have opened, you need to tap on the share button of that video. And now tap on copy link. The link has successfully copied to your clipboard. Now head into the Instagram application. Once you open Insta, you need to swipe to the left in order to go to the camera section. On this section, you have to select story, or you can also tap on post in order to post a YouTube video link on Instagram. You can tap on create icon or upload any images. But now let's tap on the create icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can select color of your choice, and you need to tap to type on the screen. And once you have done that, you need to paste the link that you have previously copied. Now tap on the next button at the top right corner, and here you have got the link as well. You can customize this page as well. Now tap on your stories at the bottom left corner, and after you have done that, you can easily post YouTube video link on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.